Does your mirror glass do this? Then stick around because we're going to have a go at repairing that. So if you do spot your mirror glass shaking around, what I recommend you do is turn your mirror adjuster switch to the 0 position, just to turn off the heating element behind the glass, just to give the glue a chance to, well, hold on to your mirror really. Hopefully you won't need too much to do this job. I'm going to try and use this Loctite mirror glass sort of bonder. It can stick glass to metal apparently, and it could even do phone mounts. I'm going to have a go at heating the mirror up using this paint like stripping gun. You can use just an ordinary hairdryer. The idea is just want to get it warm just to soften the remaining glue up. I'm just using this on a low heat setting. We don't want to crack the glass. Having a quick search to see what the best glue to use on these mirrors, I actually found that this is actually a common problem with Volkswagens. This is my 2014 Volkswagen Passat, but I believe it affects all models and within the range. Even the Seats, Skodas, and anything else that uses this same design. See, that looks quite loose. The other thing I've got is some masking tape just to hold the glass in place when we're finished with this. It's getting pretty loose now. I've just moved my mirror inwards just so I can get to the back of it a bit easier. That really is starting to come away now. There really isn't a lot of heat going into this. I just want to soften the glue, that's all. Yeah, it's starting to come. My mirror glass. I'm just going to use some isopropyl alcohol just to clean the back of the mirror glass there, and of course some rag. Seems to be quite a bit of residue on that. Just have to make sure we get all that residue off. One knife acquired. Let's do the right thing and cut towards myself. Right, and all I plan on doing is just dabbing this on the top of the mirror. Is there anything going to come out of there? This doesn't look too promising though. This is what you get for buying off of eBay instead of an actual shop. God, is there nothing in there? That must have been sat on the shelf for a long time, because barely anything coming out of that. think what I'm going to have to do is get a lolly stick or something and spread that out a bit. I think that's a good idea. One ice lolly down. Let's see what more we could get out of this. Well, imperfect. It seems to be a phrase I use a lot in my videos. Let's try and get this on there. Try and get that pretty much where it was before. Bring it in a little bit. Now, the packaging does say it's supposed to hold it, but I can't remember how long for. Hold firmly in place for at least 30 seconds, 1 minute if a button and mirror are one part. So, feel like that's sticking already. So we'll give that 30 seconds. Now I've held that on there for a good minute just to make sure it sticks. I feel like it has actually stuck down. So before it sets off completely, I'm going to just give that a wipe over with some more alcohol just to clean some of that residue that I've managed to get on there off. Let's just hope that it don't fall off in my hands. The instructions say allow 15 minutes before attaching the mirror to any button. I'll give it a good 15 minutes and probably I'll give it a good day before I drive anywhere in this car. The last thing I want for that mirror to do is go flying off when I'm driving down the motorway. Yeah, I'm not going to touch it. So that's it for this one. Hopefully this will help stick your mirror glass back in place. I'm going to give it a few days and then I'll update the video, or I'll put a little piece in to say that whether this was a success or not. But yeah, just don't buy that stuff off eBay. Buy it fresh from a reputable store. I'm going to go and have a cup of tea now. This seems fairly well stuck. It's actually a lot firmer than what it was before. So yeah, I hope this is useful to someone. I'll put at the beginning or at the end whether this was a success or not. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.